So hi guys, and welcome to another video. Now we've got something a little bit different today. It's something to do with something that I do in my free time. I do BMX riding. So I've got a little bit of a BMX bike chat for you today. Obviously, as you can tell by my voice, I am sick and I apologise. I know my mic's not brilliant as it is anyway, but like I said, I'm ill, so don't be saying like, oh, your mic sounds ridiculous. No. It's just because I'm ill. I'm also, the only reason I'm putting out this bike check now is just to sort of gauge from you guys and see what you guys want. If you guys want more BMX videos, that's fine, but it won't be until sort of like June time next year, because I've actually torn my ACL, so I won't be able to put any riding clips, but I have friends that ride, so I don't know, maybe some riding clips of them are to come. So getting into the spec of the bike, we've got some Federal 22 forks, which were purchased like a month ago. A lot of these parts are a month ago, so it's sort of the build I put together for myself like 2017. We've got Federal 22 forks. We've got some old DMI cranks. I do plan to replace them, but they're all done fairly well. Federal 10-inch bars at a 30 width. I need to cut down to 28 though. Got verde headset. Not the best headset, but again, it was what I could afford at the time. I've got a Sunday stamp. Yes, I know, before all the trolls in the comments say I've got my faceplate is the wrong way around. I will change it. I couldn't be bothered. Well, on the bars I've got PSD damp-headed grips, which I've worn down, and that's the way I like them personally. Down to the front wheel, we've got a Cult March front wheel. Yes, it's a complete wheel, but I don't know how to build wheels, so I don't plan to learn either. But like I say, I got it real cheap, brand new from a shop. It was so cheap, it was great. Nothing's ever broken on me or anything like that. So we've also got on the front, I've got a WethePeople stickin tyre in dark earth. I think this looks great with the red. Doesn't really match the camo seat. I do plan to change that to a black one, but I'll get to that when we get to there. The frame is a WethePeople Buck 2016 in a 20.75 standover, a 9.125. 27.5 frame size with a standover height of 9.125. Head tube angle is 75.5. Seat tube angle is 71 degrees. Bottom bracket is 11.8 inches. Chainstay length is 13.5 or 13.35 slammed. I got a Savage seat post because I snapped the other one when I fell off my bike. Long story, but it's quite funny. I think I've got the clip somewhere as well. I had my GoPro at the time. I've also got Federal camo seat, but we'll be getting, like I said earlier, we'll be getting a black one in the future, very soon, hopefully just after Christmas. Moving to the last part of the bike, the rear wheel is a BSD westcoaster on a BSD NASA rim. Yes, it's another complete wheel, but I absolutely love this coaster. This coaster is by far the most favourite coaster I've ever ridden. I've ridden a few. I've ridden the Free Mix, I've ridden the Cult V2, I've ridden the Federal V3, and I've also ridden the WethePeople Helix. Not a fan of any of them I'd rather have the West Coaster, in other words. That's also got a dark earth WethePeople stickin tyre as well. So yeah, so that's basically my bike. Oh, we've got Federal pedals as well. And a BSD card sprocket and a primo bottom bracket. We completely forgot about all that lot. Anyway, so yeah, next year hopefully more BMX videos if you guys want it. I don't just want my channel to be about gaming. I want, I'm quite into vaping, so I might put some e-cig reviews on there if you guys want to see it. Definitely most likely will be more sort of like vloggy style BMX stuff. I don't know, I don't really want to copy everybody else, but I'll come up with something. And then basically, if I get 10 likes on this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and I'm gonna vlog a whole session at our local skate park with some of my mates that ride. Maybe a Q&A, stuff like that. So 10 likes gets you all that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to this sick, horrible voice. And I'll see you in the new year. Bye.